All right, the chromatic exercise. This chromatic exercise is super popular. Some people will call it the spider crawl exercise. I just call it a chromatic exercise. It's not completely chromatic, but that's another qualifier there. So we're just going to start with the first finger on the 5th fret, and then we're going to go play 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we want to work on making sure none of those fingers are touching the next string, okay? You want them only to be touching the string that they're playing. So that's part 1 of the exercise. We're going to play 5, 6, 7, 8. And for right now, I would like you to have all 4 fingers down when you finish, okay? By the time you get to 8, 5, 6, and 7 should be down, okay? So ideally, each one will be at the top of the fret. And if you're using a pick, you would go down, up, down, up. If this is brand new and it's difficult for you, just pick all down. But eventually, just play down, up, okay? Now, the thumb and the finger should be the only points of contact. I really don't want you to let your palm touch the neck of the guitar. Don't let the neck of the guitar rest in your palm, okay? Really have an arch. Make sure that you're sitting up straight, that your arm is not resting on your leg. All that stuff, just the general posture can be overlooked, but that stuff can make a huge difference in your capacity. So make sure that all that is free and that you have that ability there. Okay, so then you play 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you do the same thing on the next string. Next string. Now I'm using picado or punteo with my picking hand. So just picking with my fingers, index, middle. But really, we're talking about the fret hand here, okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, some people would say 5, 6, 7, 8, and then leave these fingers until you need them on the next one. That's another great variation of this exercise. Right now, initially, I'm just going 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, and I want to connect this 8 to the 5. So as if this note was there. So you really want to hear that connection. And then from there, I'm okay with you lifting your fingers. I just want you to keep them as close as possible. And that by the time you get to 8, all the other fingers should be down. That's what you're really looking for. And then you want to see that you're rotating around the neck. By the time you get here, my palm is flat. And then I'm going to start. You see how much more of the back of my hand you see. By the time I get to the top, you don't see any in the back of my hand. Okay, now you see a lot of the back of my hand. So just notice that I'm rotating around the axis of the neck. Okay? Good deal. So I would recommend you do that a few times a day. And with the other exercise, you're going to be good to go. All right? Those are great beginning fret hand exercises. All right. Have a great day. Get to practicing.